Hello everyone! Today I want to talk to you about sugar, more specifically about how harmful it is for your health. I'm going to share with you how you can get rid of sugar addiction and what you can replace it with. First of all, let's talk about what sugar gives you. After a portion of a dessert, you have energy and you're in a good mood. But your body tends to get used to it and asks for more and more. And when people don't get as many carbohydrates as they used to, they get apathic and grumpy. But why is sugar actually harmful? It acidifies your body, increases the cholesterol level, it worsens the state of your skin because sugar destroys collagen, which makes your skin less elastic. Exactly this process causes wrinkles, faster aging, and pigmentation. If you keep this information in mind, you will already consume less sugar. In order for you to be able to get rid of sugar addiction, you need to consume enough complex carbohydrates, containing in vegetables and fruits, grains and beans. You get energy for a longer period of time without harming your body. Second is exercising. When you exercise, endorphins are being produced. Therefore, you will have no need to replace happiness hormones with sugar. Next is healthy sleeping. You should sleep at least 7 hours because a person that doesn't sleep enough gets stressed constantly. And in order to improve their mood, consume more sweets. Next way to decrease sugar addiction is by taking supplements such as magnesium and chrome, because lack of those elements causes addiction to sweets. For those of you who really cannot live without sweets, I have some tricks. First one is whenever you want something sweet, drink a glass of water instead. Your blood will get thinner and it will improve your metabolism. If you have a feeling that you want something sweet late in the day, tell yourself that you don't restrict yourself from consuming sweets. However, today it will be healthier to eat an apple and tomorrow you can have something sweet. Another trick that I personally used that caused me to be indifferent when it comes to cakes, milk chocolate, and cookies. When you really want something sweet but unhealthy, in your thoughts, break this product down to its ingredients. You will get a set of products that you would never consume separately from each other. It's flour, sugar, margarine, flavor enhancers, and food dye. Personally, for me, this method was crucial when I tried to get rid of sugar addiction. And now I want to share with you a recipe of delicious and healthy cookies. Every day, my husband makes fresh juices out of seasonal vegetables and fruits. And whatever stays in the juice maker after the process, I use as a base for my delicious sweets. So here is the recipe. In equal proportions, you take whatever is left from the juice making, crushed dried apricots, and walnuts. Out of that mixture, form cookies and place them into dehydrator for 15 to 18 hours. We also had some of that mix left in order to show you what you can do if you don't have a dehydrator. Form little balls and dip them into coconut flake. After that, place them in the fridge to chill. If you found this information useful and you like the recipe, make sure you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends.